The first generation of AI was really all about things that existed in the virtual world. Most of what enterprises do exists in the physical world. So now AI is really moving into that second stage. DDN's high-performance storage and really helping move AI into the physical world in real applications. You need different types of computers to solve the problem. Not everyone realizes is that NVIDIA not only produces AI factories, but we're a huge internal user of AI. We have multiple AI factories, a tremendous amount of storage powering all of that. What we care about is buying a proven solution that we know is going to deliver the performance we need. For 8 years now, we've used DDN. By working with DDN and building our internal clusters, we really have the ability to understand every level of the stack. It's not enough just to understand the storage, to understand the software, to understand the chips. You really need to run it end to end to understand what all the bottlenecks are. Being able to collaborate with DDN early in the design phase of our products, and then to build them out at scale before we ever ship them to a customer, and turn that into a blueprint, which lets any enterprise in the world to get that blueprint from NVIDIA to recreate that exact solution and know the minute they turn it on in their data center, it's going to run just as good as the solutions that NVIDIA's engineers are using day in and day out. When you absolutely need to meet performance goals and you want to make sure your solution is going to scale to any number of GPUs, DDN is really the undisputed leader in that space.